Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Queen Marabella from Barbie Mariposa in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and this is for the outfit, and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay guys, first of all, you can put on this hairstyle and you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. And you can select this hairstyle as well and also this one and color it the same. For this hairstyle, you're going to remove the bangs. Okay, and you're going to put on this necklace and you can color it with this white and blue color for the second selection and put on this tiara. It's from the VIP room, and then you're going to choose toggle 2, and for the base just leave it like that, and you can color it with this color for the diamonds. Okay guys, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area, and then I'm going to put on this corset, and for this corset I'm going to apply this pattern, this one guys. Okay, you can apply this pattern for the first selection, and then for the second selection guys, I'm going to make it this color. Wait, you can color it with this color. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to make it this color, the dark blue, and for the ribbon I'm going to make it this color, and then I'm going to make it this color for the last selection, and then we're going to make them all glitter. Okay guys, now it's done, and then I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, and we can put on this skirt, and then we're going to make it this pattern for the first selection, and also for the second selection I'm going to apply this blue color. Okay, this is for the color code, and then I'm going to select this skirt, and then we're going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection we're going to make it this color. Okay, and then again we're going to make it glitter. Okay, go to the changing room, and then you're going to go to the codes item, and you're going to put on this jacket, but we're going to choose the top only, and then I'm going to apply the same blue color. Okay, this is for the color code, and then again we're going to make it glitter. Okay guys, and then I'm going to move to the VIP room. Okay, I'm going to combine two wings from the VIP room, this one and also this one, and then we're going to make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger for this wing and also this wing. Okay, make it bigger like this, and then I'm going to show you the color. Okay guys, you can color it like this for the wings. I'm going to show you the color. Okay, for this wings, you're going to make it this color for the first selection, the second selection, and third selection. And then for this one, you're going to make it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, and fourth selection. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Queen Marabella from Barbie Mariposa in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!